Hello and welcome. This video will show you how to boost engagement and viewer interaction with your videos using a few key elements. Let's start by navigating to your video library and selecting the video you want to enhance. First, we suggest adding a custom thumbnail. If you don't have one, you can always select a frame from the video. A custom thumbnail makes your video more attractive and can potentially increase clicks and views. After you've added a thumbnail, it's time to add subtitles. With Gumlet's AI-generated subtitles, adding subtitles to your videos is quick and easy. You can even add up to 4 different language subtitles. Just choose a language and upload the file. Another useful feature to consider is video chapters. This helps viewers navigate your video easily and find the sections they're interested in. Here, we've divided the video into multiple chapters. To add a chapter, select the endpoint, input the chapter title, and click Save. To further improve interaction, consider adding a call to action, CTA, to direct your viewers to a website or a specific landing page. Choose where you want the CTA to appear. Input the CTA text and the URL you want to direct viewers to. Decide when the CTA starts and ends, and select your desired font color and background color. You can also choose where the CTA opens and its position on the screen. After finalizing these settings, click Save. As you can see, the CTA appears at the designated spot and automatically directs viewers to the linked page. In conclusion, you've just added multiple elements that enhance viewer engagement and interactivity with your videos. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.